Today I'm going to be reviewing my Maytag dishwasher. Bought this about a month ago at the local appliance center. Recommendation. Been very happy with it. This unit is much quieter than my other unit. It's got a stainless steel interior. Holds a lot of dishes, has a nice utility rack. One of the features I really love is the fact that it saves your settings. So when you want to start the dishwasher, it just goes to the last setting that you used. All you do is just close the door, press the start button, and it automatically goes to the last setting. I do the quick wash with the heated dry, and you can also do a time delay, so you just press the delay and it's automatically saved to the last delay setting that you have. Or if you want an extra hour, you just hit it in that extra hour. So if you're doing 1, 2, it goes all the way up to 24, which I think that's great. So if you're doing showers at night, you set the dishwasher, you set it for a 3-hour delay, so that it gives time for the water heater to work its temperature back up, and you don't have to worry about it. Open it up. It's stainless steel interior, and it does hold quite a lot of dishes, and they're pretty much all standard size, so I don't think it really can get much variance. On top, it's got the wine racks for your wine glasses. I like the individual holders for the silverware. If you look, each slot for the silverware has its own thing, so the spoons don't get all bunched up, forks don't get all bunched up. It's real easy for the kids to load. They just drop it right in there. You don't have to worry about them all bunching up, and then when you wash it later, they're still got soup or cereal or whatever wedged in between. They're all separated. It's nice and easy. This is a great dishwasher. Highly recommend this unit. Had a bunch of rebates with it, and very happy with it so far. It is very quiet, and